Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to share one of my favorite Sizzix accessories, Adhesive Sheets. Adhesive Sheets allow you to turn any die cut into a sticker. Our Adhesive Sheets come in two sizes. There's a 6x6 version, as well as a smaller version for the Sizzix Sidekick and the Tim Holtz Sidekick. So let's take a look at how these work. I've trimmed this adhesive sheet down to fit the size of paper that I want to work with. And there's an easy peel here sticker. You just peel this off and you're going to go ahead and adhere this to your cardstock. And that automatically turns your piece of cardstock into a sticker. So now I'm ready to cut. Since this is such an intricate die, I've decided to use my Chrome Precision base plate. And I'm just going to cut this out as I normally would. I'm going to roll it through my Big Shot machine. So you can see that this is completely cut out. We're just going to take it and remove the die cut from the paper. And now what we have here is actually a die cut and a sticker. So let's go ahead and peel off that backing. You can see how nice and clean that comes off. And this is all ready to adhere to our project. What an easy way to adhere an intricate phrase like that. Sometimes when you're working with die cuts that are so intricate, it's difficult to apply adhesive all over that. So this is the perfect solution for working with intricate die cuts and applying them to your projects. But that's not all you can do with adhesive sheets. They're also great for applying mediums to your papers as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel off an adhesive sheet and I'm actually going to apply it to both sides of the piece of paper. So I peeled this off for one side. Peel this off for the other side. Adhere this to the other side of the piece of paper. And now we're going to cut out this framelit shape. Okay, now when we remove our die cut, we have an adhesive sheet on both sides of this heart. I'm going to start by peeling one side of it off, and that's going to leave behind this really all over covered adhesive stickiness on this heart. And I'm going to take some of this gold foiling and just with my fingers place it on the heart, and you're going to see that that all adheres because of that adhesive sheet. It really is a nice medium to transfer a lot of multimedia techniques, metallics especially. You just kind of want to work that in, even it out, get rid of some of your excess. And of course we have the adhesive sheet on the back of our heart. So we can easily just pull that off. And now that is ready to adhere to your project. I'm just going to layer one more piece on top of it. And there you go. So now you can see how using adhesive sheets is a great assist for applying intricate die cuts to your projects and applying multimedia techniques.